Sefaria is all about finding connections between different texts. So let's say I know about a connection and I want to tell Sefaria about it. What do I do? Well, I'm looking now at Mishnah Brachot, chapter 7, and I see this line, "They bless us," as it says, "In assemblies you all bless God from the fountain of Israel." Now let's just say I'm a very smart person and I know the source of that quotation, that it comes from the book of Psalms. I can add that connection by first clicking on the Sources button to bring up the Sources panel. Alternatively, I can just move my mouse to the right-hand side of the screen to open that panel and click Add a New Source. From here, it'll ask which Mishnah I'd like to add it to. So it's this one, Mishnah 3. I confirm. And now I'm at this panel where I can start to actually add a new source to Sefaria. Let me just show you one other way I could have gone about doing that. If I scroll first to the text and click on what I'm interested in connecting, I'll get this special menu on the right in the plus, the circle with the plus, and from there I can say Add Source, and directly to add a source to Mishnah Brachot 7.3. So all I really need to add a source is a citation. So in this case I know it was the book of Psalms, and that it's Psalm 68 verse 27. Here it is. This is the text that was quoted. I can also add a source type to indicate that I knew that it was a quotation, that the Mishnah is directly quoting this text. Just like that, I can save the source, and now you'll see that this line of Psalms comes up in connection with this particular Mishnah. When I open it here, you can see the note that this is a quotation. This could have been a commentary or a summary or some other type, but this was a quotation. And if I need to edit it, I can click Edit Connection below to bring this menu back up. If I wanted to change if this was incorrect, or change the type, I could do that. Also from here, I can delete the connection. So if this was wrong entirely, I can just take it out. So let's delete it right now, and I'm just going to show you one other way that you can add connections in Sefaria. If I were to actually edit this text, I'm going to edit text here. Any citation that Sefaria finds inside of a text that you save will automatically create a connection for it. So right here where it has this quotation, if I just put the citation at the end of that line in this text, make sure I spell this correctly, I can now hit save, and Sefaria will automatically add that connection back in, just like I had it before. And additionally, the citation inside of the text will become a link so that you could click on it and jump to that source in context.